MK, and today I'm going to be opening this rock box called Holiday. It's a Holiday Rockbox, and I got it for Christmas, and it was under the tree, and I am really excited to open it because I don't know what's inside. So first I'm going to lay it back like that because there's a bow. So I'm just going to do that, and pull up. I don't want to cut this because it's a really good thing. Here we go. Yeah. Yippee-dee-doo. Yippee-dee-da. Can we keep this? It's really good. Alright. Now just pink present. First, let's open this side. Big, giant, huge box. Let's open it. Okay. Oh my god. A pink beanie. So cute and warm. Next is oh my god, a sweater crop top. This is rocking. It's so pretty. So comfy. Whoa. I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. Crushed crystals and shimmer mist. Kind of looks like something that goes on your skin. Should I open it? Oh my god. It's like dang. It's so cool. It smells good too. Alright, happy holidays. It's a note. It's an ornament. It says Rock 2020. Should I put it on the tree? Sideways?
Yeah. There you go.
There we go. Now this. Ooh. Got glitter all over my hands. Ooh, a necklace. That's fun. Can you take it out? So pretty. It's made out of crystals. Alright. We got some rock your lashes. We got some big hair. This is dry shampoo. This is big hair. Hairspray. Dry shampoo. This is leave-in conditioner,
Which we use like every day.
Ooh, a new brush. Ooh, you can move it up and down. Tangle brusher.
Buster.
Buster. Looks nice. What is this?
Open it.
It's the same brand as this. Whoa. Whoa. I got some lipstick.
Is it like lip gloss? What is it?
Super gloss, super loose. deer.
Glass.
Yeah, it's a glass. Got a keychain that says rock, and this thing fence. It's cool. And last but not least thing,
What is it?
wrong way.
Oh,
What does it say?
it says rock back to school.
Rock back to school. That's cool. Wait a minute. Last thing. Imagine. Alright. It says 2020 rock model. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.